Welcome to my CSE tutorial. In this video, we'll see one of the most wanted topics, the solve question paper of the subject problem solving and Python programming. Here we are going to see the question paper of December-January 2019. Part A. This section consists of 10 2 marks. I like to give this piece of advice for all the first years. Please don't take it into granted that this section is only for 2 marks, so it's sufficient to write only 2 points. This will definitely not give you full 2 marks. You are expected to write 3 to 4 points and give relevant explanation for half a page. Only then you will get full 2 marks. This is with my experience of setting many question papers, setting the key answers for those question papers and evaluating many answer sheets. With this experience, I give this advice to all the first years when you write the Part A questions. The first question is, distinguish between algorithm and program. An algorithm is a systematic logical approach to solve a specific problem, whereas a program is a sequence of instructions that specifies how to perform a computation in a computer. This means, given a problem, the theoretical design used to solve a problem is called the algorithm, whereas the sequence of instructions that a computer performs to solve the problem is called the program. The second point is, the algorithm is a well-defined step-by-step procedure that allows a computer to solve the problem, whereas the program is a set of instructions for a computer to follow. The third point, an algorithm is represented as a pseudocode or the natural English language, which is written in stepwise, whereas the program is written in the syntax defined by the programming language. The last is an example where we'll see how to add two numbers. So we'll see how an algorithm is used to solve the addition of two numbers. So step 1, we input the two numbers x and y. Step 2, add the two numbers x and y and store it in z. And step 3, we print the value of z. The program used to add the two numbers in Python is given as follows. We get the input from the user and store it in x. The second input is obtained from the user and stored in y. Then x and y are added and stored in z. And finally, the value of z is printed. So these are the four differences between algorithm and program. The second question, write an algorithm to find the minimum number in a given list of elements. Solution, the algorithm is written in the stepwise. Step 1, start the algorithm. Step 2, input the n elements in the list. Step 3, sort the list. Step 4, display the first element in the list. And step 5, the algorithm is ended. This algorithm is very simple. So the approach is, we have n elements in the list. When we sort the elements in the list in the ascending order, obviously the minimum number comes to the first position. So in the 0th position of the list, the minimum element is placed. And in step 4, we are displaying the first element in the list. So therefore, we get the minimum number from the list of elements. Third question, what are keywords? Give examples. The solution is, Keywords are used by the interpreter to recognize the structure of the program, and they cannot be used as variable names. There are 31 keywords in Python. For example, and, del, from, not, while, etc. Question number 4. State the reasons to divide programs into functions. The answer is, a program is divided into functions, especially when the program is very long, because of the following reasons. The first is so that the program is easy to understand. Second point, it allows to test the function alone without testing the entire whole program. And third point is, debugging is very easy when it comes to functions. Question number 5. Present the flow of execution for a while loop. The answer is, the flow of execution for a while loop is as follows. The first step is to evaluate the condition of the while statement, which yields true or false. The second step, if the condition is false, then exit the while loop and continue execution at the next statement of the program. The third point, if the condition is true, then execute the body of the while loop and then it goes back to step 1 again. This process repeats again and again, and so it is called a loop. Once a condition becomes false, automatically the while loop exits. Please watch the next upcoming video for the next 5 questions of part A. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more solved question papers. If you have any doubts or any questions to be solved, please put it in the comment section or mail it to me. Thank you for watching.